Hello my dear students, welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to read a very important topic of English grammar, that is articles. What is articles? The adjective a, an or the are usually called articles, and we use it before noun, adjective, adverb. So with the help of example, we will get it clear that what is articles, how many kinds of article, what is the position of articles. We will read it. Students, there are two kinds of article. Number one, definite article. Number two, indefinite article. Now one by one we are going to read what is definite article and indefinite article. Number one, definite article. What is definite article? The is called definite article because it points out some particular person or thing. For example, he saw the doctor. Here, the doctor, it means what? It means any particular doctor. The house in which I live is new. The house, it means any particular house where he lives is new. So student, it is clear here that the is called definite article because it points out some particular person or thing. So whenever we have to point out some particular person or thing, we will use the. Now what is indefinite article? Students, a or an is called indefinite article because it points out indefinite person or thing. And what is the meaning of a or an? A or an means one. For example, he saw an old man. It means he saw one old man. Here there is not any particular old man, only one old man. So this is what? Indefinite article. There was a king. What does it mean? There was one king. Here there is not any particular king. So this is what? Indefinite article. So student, whenever we have to point out any indefinite person or thing, so we have to use indefinite article a or an. Now students, we are going to read the positions of article where we have to use article. So rule number 1, a, an or the plus noun. It means that before noun we can use a, an or the. For example, student, I have a book. Here book is what? Noun. So what does it mean? I have one book. He has an umbrella. What is umbrella? Noun. The cow has a tail. So what is cow? Noun. What is tail? Noun. The earth moves around the sun. So what is earth? Noun. What is sun? Noun. So we get it here, student, that a and the is used before noun. Rule number 2. A and the plus adjective plus noun. What does it mean? That a, an and the is used before adjective plus noun. For example, student, she is an intelligent girl. Here intelligent is adjective and girl is noun. So there is the use of an. Because the sound is here vowel sound, intelligent, that's why there is the use of an. We will discuss about the sound at the end of the video. Now we are discussing about the position of article. Second example, Mahesh has a black dog. What is black? Adjective. And what is dog? Noun. So here there is the use of article. Sachin Tendulkar is the best player. What is best? Adjective. Player, noun. And there is the use of article the. Shima is a caring mother. So caring, adjective, mother, noun. And there is the use of article a. So we get here, student, rule number 2, that a and the is used before adjective plus noun. In the first sentence, intelligent girl, adjective plus noun. Second sentence, black dog, adjective plus noun. Best player, adjective plus noun. Caring mother, adjective plus noun. Now, rule number 3. A, an, and the plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. It means here, student, that a and the is used before adverb, adjective and noun. When adverb, adjective or noun comes together, then we can use what? A and the. For example, she is a very beautiful girl. Here very is adverb, beautiful adjective, girl noun, and there is a use of article a. Second example, he is an extremely happy personality. So extremely is adverb, happy adjective, personality noun, and here there is the use of article an. She is the very best player. So here very adverb, best adjective, player noun, and there is the use of article the. Ria is a very intelligent girl. Very again adverb, intelligent adjective and girl noun, and here there is the use of article a. So it is clear here, students, that a and the is used before the combination of adverb, adjective plus noun. Rule number 4. Such, what, many, rather, half plus a or an plus noun. Student, when there is such these words like such, what, many, rather and half, so we can use a or an and then there is noun. For example, such a girl, girl is noun. What a fool, fool is noun. Many an inkpot, inkpot is noun. Half an hour is noun. Half a kilo, kilo is noun. Many a book, book is noun. Here, student, in the second example, here full means a full portion. Here full is full portion. So it is noun here. So we get here rule number 4. The word like such, what, many, rather, half, they followed article a or an and then after there is noun. Rule number 5. Students, words like such, what, many, quite, rather, they followed article an plus adjective and noun. For example, such a beautiful girl, beautiful adjective, girl noun. What a big fool, big adjective, fool noun. Many a good book, good adjective, book noun. Quite an unlucky man, unlucky adjective, man noun. Rather an interesting book, interesting adjective, book noun. So we get here, student, that when there is the words like such, what, many, quite, rather, so we use a or an and then after we can use any adjective plus noun. Now rule number 6. Students, when there are words like all, both, double, exactly, just, so we can use the definite article the and then after there is adjective plus noun. For example, all the famous singers. Here all the famous singer. Famous is what? Adjective and singers noun. Both the intelligent boys. Intelligent adjective, boys noun. Double the right amount. right adjective, amount, noun. Exactly the right color, right in adjective, color, noun. Just the right amount, right adjective, and amount, noun. So we get here, student, that the words like all, both, double, exactly, and just, they follow the definite article the plus adjective and noun. Now rule number 7. Students, the words like how, show, to, as, they followed adjective plus an and noun for making interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentences, and assertive sentences. For example, how beautiful a girl is she? So this is which type of sentence? Interrogative sentence. And here is how beautiful is adjective, and then after article, and then noun, girl. Second example, how beautiful a girl she is. This is exclamatory sentence here, student. Beautiful is adjective, then a, and girl is noun. Third example, it's so fine a day. Here, it's so fine a day. So, and then fine adjective, a article, and day, noun. Fourth example, he is too weak a man. Too weak. The word too, and then weak is adjective, a article, and man is noun. Last example, he is as experienced an engineer. Here, student, the word as plus adjective experienced, then article an, and then noun engineer. So we get here, student, that the word like how, show, to, as, they followed adjective plus article an, then noun. Now student, we have already read about the position of article. Now we are going to read the use of a or an. Students, the choice of a or an is determined by the sound. A or an is determined by the sound. Student, we all know that in English there are two types of sound, vowel sound and consonant sound. So here, if there is vowel sound, if any word starts with vowel sound, then we have to use n. For example, ns. Here S has a vowel sound. N and me. Here N me has a vowel sound. Starts with vowel sound. Orange starts with vowel sound. R starts with vowel sound. An honest man, honest, starts with vowel sound. An air, air starts with vowel sound. Here student, honest and air. Honest and air, here it starts with the letter H, but the pronunciation is what? Honest, air. And that's why there is the use of N. So we have to get it that any words starts with which sound? Is it consonant sound or vowel sound? Next example, an ink pot. Ink pot. Here ink pot starts with vowel sound. Last example, an enemy. Here student, enemy. Enemy starts with vowel sound. So here we get it that if the word starts with vowel sound, so we have to use N. Now next one student, before a word beginning with a consonant sound, a is used. Before a word beginning with a consonant sound, if a word begins with a consonant sound, what is used? A is used. For example, a boy, b, it's b sound, so it is consonant sound. A house, h sound, so it is what? Consonant. A union, here student, the word union starts with u, that is vowel, but the sound is what? Ya. So here this is consonant sound, and that's why there is the use of a. A unicorn starts with U, but the sound is ya. Ya is consonant sound. That's why there is the use of a. A woman, wa. Which sound it is? Wa sound. It means that it is consonant sound. A house, ha, starts with ha sound. So it is what? Consonant sound. A European starts with here E, that is vowel, but the sound is what? European, ya. So it is consonant sound. A useful article starts with U, that is vowel, but the sound is ya, useful, ya. So it is what? Consonant sound. So student, we have got here that we have to find out that the words starts with which sound, whether it is vowel sound, so use an, and if it starts with consonant sound, so use the. Students, in the next video we will read the use of the, and what is consonant sound and what is vowel sound. We will discuss very briefly, and in an explained manner we will see that what is the use of the in our next video. So thank you for watching my video, student. If you like it, subscribe my channel, share it and like it. Thank you once again.